Meaning of Dayton.
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 Dayton. Dayton is the sixth largest city in the state of Ohio, United States, and is known as the birthplace of aviation. It was named after Jonathan Dayton, a Revolutionary War officer who signed the U.S. Constitution. Dayton is home to Wright-Patterson Air Force Base and the National Museum of the United States Air Force. The city has a rich aviation history, and is famous for its connection to the Wright brothers, who invented and tested the first practical airplane here. Today, Dayton is a thriving city with a diverse economy and strong community spirit.